Welcome to Decor. If you love vintage charm, soft pastels, and a romantic, lived-in look, then you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing shabby chic decorating ideas for every room in your home. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment. We'd love to hear which ideas inspire you the most. Shabby chic is all about blending vintage elegance with cozy comfort. It embraces distressed furniture, soft fabrics, and delicate details to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. This style makes any space feel charming and full of character. Start with a neutral base, think whites, creams, and pastels. Add plush sofas with ruffled slipcovers, vintage floral cushions, and distressed wooden coffee tables. A chandelier or antique-style lamps complete the romantic look. Your bedroom should feel like a dreamy retreat. Opt for an iron or weathered wood bed frame, layered with soft linens, lace, and floral patterns. Vintage bedside tables and a distressed armoire add to the charm. Whitewashed cabinets, open shelving, and vintage dishware bring a shabby chic kitchen to life. Decorate with mason jars, floral tea towels, and antique-inspired pendant lighting for a cozy, lived-in feel. Transform your bathroom into a spa-like escape with clawfoot tubs, ornate mirrors, and delicate pastel towels. Use vintage glass jars to store cotton balls and bath salts, adding both beauty and function. For a romantic dining space, choose a distressed wooden table with mismatched vintage chairs. A lace table runner, floral china, and a crystal chandelier will make every meal feel special and timeless. Make a great first impression with a distressed console table, vintage hooks for coats, and a charming floral wreath on the door. Soft lighting and a cozy bench complete the welcoming vibe. Turn your workspace into a vintage-inspired retreat with an antique writing desk, a floral upholstered chair, and soft, feminine accents. A beautiful vintage lamp and framed botanical prints add the perfect finishing touch. Even small touches can bring shabby chic charm to any space. Incorporate distressed picture frames, vintage candlesticks, ruffled curtains, and fresh flowers to enhance the romantic aesthetic. And there you have it, shabby chic decorating ideas for every room. We hope this video inspires you to add a soft and romantic touch to your home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more vintage decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.